Ready?
In both Erbil
Let me pause this.
And provide.
Yay! Yay!
It just looks like a deep black spot on you, but
you can't see him against my pants.
Pull his leg up. Let go.
Check out the head.
He's a dead cat.
He's not dead. Look at the tail going. He's a happy cat. He's a happy cat. You pull his leg out. Pull his front leg out. And he's happy. He rubs his head up against you. There's the tail. I grab his tail, wag it around. And he bumps his head against my hand looking for attention. This is one of the happiest cats you'll ever see.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Just hit the